Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today we are making a very easy and beautiful drop pour style painting. As you can see, we have a lot of wonderful colors. I will leave them down in the description. Also, we are using a pillow base today, and this is just Artist Loft level 1, and it is 1-to-1 with Floetrol. Very easy. Put that over there. And then we also are using a secret mixture today, and we're gonna see if it works. If it works, I'll tell you all about it. If it doesn't work, let's just forget that it even happened. So we could do that, that's fine. And we're gonna add some titanium weight into the mix too. So that's fine. So I do wanna go right into this, layer the cup, go into some nice music, and you know what guys, I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, guys, let me come right back in here now. Whew, that was a lot of work, and it took a lot of time. I know when the video will be sped up, so for you guys, it will look a lot more awesome than that was, but that was a lot of work. All right, so you can kind of see what we're going to do here, and I'm just trying to maneuver the cups right now into position that is going to make this work. So we want to bring this back into frame. Let's do that now. All right, this is great. Oh, I cannot wait to get this going. So we want to get that pillow base down because that's going to be part of everything. So see, 2 on each side. You're going to see what we're going to do here. Just put the pinks over here. Oh, these cups are so great. So I did layer them in a mixture of both straight pour style and more dirty pour. So you could really vary it up. There's no right or wrong in that situation. You're just dropping this. The key in this is the drop and the height and the splash. So that's that. And I just want to get this pillow down. Oh, I love this pillow. We're not using any silicone or anything, so using this pillow for me is going to be important because it's going to generate our pearl cells. So that's what I want to do with this pillow base. All right. Whew, here we go. Let's do this. So basically, right now, I'm going to finish this up. Let's go back into some music. I'm going to put down our secret mixture. You're going to see what I'm going to do with that next. And guys, I will see you on the other side. Let's do this. Let's go. All right, guys, we're coming back down in here because I have some things to tell you here. Okay, so let's put that down. Whew. All right. So, I'm cleaning up right now because that was a mess. First of all, I'm the first to tell you, and I know you're all going to say the same exact thing. I definitely used a lot more paint than we needed to use there. But in the drop pour, you kind of do because you need that splash. You need that big splash there. So I did that. But honestly, I did use way too much paint. Next time, let's cut. I could probably cut that almost in half. It's very easy to do that. Second of all, let's talk about that secret ingredient mix that I was talking about in there. And I'm going to torch while I talk. That way you don't have too much chatter. Alright, here we go. So let's torch a little here. See what kind of cell action we got going on. If anything, just pop some bubbles. So I do like this, and I'm going to tell you what's going on here. Okay, so that secret mixture was actually like a variant of what I would use for a cloud pour. So this had the satin enamels in it, okay? This was satin enamels, it was Floetrol, and it was also a little of the Amsterdam Pearl White. So that was the secret mixture in there. And you can see in here, you're getting some of that cloud effect. Now remember, also, when I use the that specific pillow base, I do get the pearl cells anyway. So that is part of the cloud effect that you would use to make cloud pour paintings. Okay, so you can see this happening in here. I love this. This is going to be wild in here. This is going to be nice and plain. So we're going to have a nice two kind of painting here. So I did like this, and thank you for hanging out and watching, and I will see you later. Bye.